Transferring assets to a Morgan Stanley 401K rollover is a straightforward process that can help you consolidate your retirement savings and take control of your financial future. To get started, first gather all relevant documents, including your current 401k statement, account information, and identification. Next, contact Morgan Stanley to initiate the rollover process. You can do this by visiting their website, calling their customer service number, or speaking with a financial advisor. They will guide you through the process and provide the necessary paperwork. You will need to fill out a transfer request form, which will require information about your current 401k account, including the account balance, plan administrator, and any outstanding loan balances. You will also need to provide identification, such as a driver's license or passport, to verify your identity. Once the paperwork is complete, Morgan Stanley will contact your current 401k plan administrator to initiate the transfer. This process typically takes several weeks, during which time your assets will be liquidated and transferred to your new Morgan Stanley 401k account. It is essential to consider any potential fees or penalties associated with the transfer, such as surrender charges or tax implications. You should also review your investment options and consider consulting with a financial advisor to ensure the rollover aligns with your overall retirement strategy. After the transfer is complete, you will receive confirmation from Morgan Stanley, and you can begin managing your new 401k account. You can also set up online access to view your account balance, track your investments, and make changes to your portfolio as needed. Throughout the process, it is crucial to keep accurate records, including copies of all paperwork and correspondence with Morgan Stanley. This will help you stay organized and ensure a smooth transition. By following these steps and seeking professional guidance when needed, you can successfully transfer your assets to a Morgan Stanley 401k rollover and take a significant step towards securing your retirement goals.